Tick tock, where are you? Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video, it's going to be another affordable, see-through, sexy lingerie panty haul from Shopee. Let's dig into the first panty. I opened this up just to make sure, and then let's roll into number one. Looks like the same the other panty I have in the other order, but different company. Bulitas ko mo. Ba't na-double yung order ko? Let's make use of this video, huh? Even though na-double ko ang order ko. Okay, take a look. Oh. Tick tock, where are you? O, diba? Again, another, ano pa rin siya, guys, necklace. Headband na lang yung panty na, oh. Ay, naku. Ba't na-double ang order ko, no? Lacy type again. You got a pearl, 3 big pearls here. This kind of panty, it's more on, if you are having fun with your spouse, you know, it's a different kind of leisure. Okay, so leisure, pleasure, those stuff. Okay, all right. So perlas ng silanganan. Yes, 3 big ones. I think the one I have is a little bit smaller. Bit confused, but it's similar, no? Okay, so lacy, pearl, of course, just a string right there. Okay. Okay, next. It's still, you know, exciting, no? Because we don't know what's inside. I hope this is good. Nice ang color, turquoise. Nasa, mali naman ang outfit ko. Nasa na ibang outfit. Uy, wow, it's a beautiful pant. I think I saw this with one of my friends' panty haul. Yeah, it's a very sexy lingerie, guys. What is this? Of course, it's a thong, no? Tanga, of course. Oh, wow, I do like the details in this one. Look at that, no? You can see? It's very beautiful. Okay, up. And right. Okay, next one. Okay, back side. Yeah. Diba ang ganda? Really nice. So it's very pretty, sexy. Yes, Ivana looking. I definitely yes. Only lang the problem is they got some, you know, threadings like loose threads here. Of course, less than $1, like 49 pesos, I believe. If you're interested with the online store or which store did I, you know, bought this stuff, yeah, let me know. So look at the details. Very nice, flowery siya. Yan. Ang ganda, no? Ang ganda-ganda niya. Right. Nice. Perfect. Perfect na perfect ito siya. No? Parang hindi man nag-match yung ano ko, outfit. That's the thing. I don't know which one belongs to this order, so it's hard to predict. The good thing with that unboxing is more exciting, right? More exciting, more fun. Okay, last panty. At least ito parang nag-match kasi see-through. Kita ang pagmaon ba? Kita ang katag, no? Yung plastic. Huwag naman yung plastic. Pagkakapo. Char. Okay, next. Ay, madaliin natin kasi naglolobat na ang camera. Okay, next one. Oh, wow. Look. Similar to the turquoise, but it's have high coverage. Oh yeah, definitely this one is my type, no? Oh. Now, still sexy underwear. If you're looking for women's underwear, yes. Pang Valentine's to, guys. Is this for honeymoon? Not really. This is for like date night. Yes. Dito pang showmanship. But still, you can still feel sexy on this one. Okay, again, it's a lace material. Okay, and then you see here, backside. Yes, of course, thong here, no? Yes, parang tangga, no? Yes. Okay, light and flowery lace sheer. Okay, and transparent as well. No, transparent? No, see-through lang. Pataka ba? Yes, and flowery like a rose. Very light, guys. Cheap, online. Very, very affordable. Very easy to, you know, adjust with your budget. So if you're interested, just let me know. Again, so which one do you prefer of the three? First one, second one, third one. Okay, you guys. So for me, it's going to be this. It has some color, and then the cut is my type. Okay, I like this one. Okay, all right, guys. That's the end of our panty haul for today. If you want me to do more women's underwear, sexy lingerie, or let's just say lingerie haul for any sort of stuff, let me know. Comment down below. Like this video, and I will see you soon. Bye.